Hey, great. I'm over here at the storage shed. Gonna do another low-level shits.
0 feet altitude, 7 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 99% battery.
It's a little windy. Gonna go over Amazon again. What else is new? Right. We know the drill. Let's do this. Like I said, it's a little windy up there, but this is low level, so it won't be bad. It's taking a little time to get over there, but when it goes down a little, it'll be all right.
179 feet altitude, 415 feet distance, 14 miles per hour, 95% battery.
Ooh, they got plywood on the where those windows are on the tops. Making good progress. Yeah, we had snowed last night. We got about 4 inches, 5 inches. Looks like they got propane tanks down there now. Can't tell for sure.
99 feet altitude, 368 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 91% battery.
They look like propane tanks, so they probably got heat going in there, which is a good thing since its average temperature is going to be about 30 degrees. Oh, lots of propane. Have flown only a few times this week. The weather's been shitty, horrible, bad.
Feet altitude, 1,138 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 88% battery.
Kind of hard to judge this the lighting here. Hopefully I won't get near the crane on the turn here. Since that thing's always moving. A little slow going. Last week I almost flew into those trees and I had to change course a little. Let's see how we do it now. I don't know if I...
37 feet altitude, 1943 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 83% battery.
Yeah, I cleared it. Looks pretty close, ain't it? looks like it's right over. Here it's going to
29 feet altitude. 2,266 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 79% battery.
Let's see, where's the fucking crane? There it is. Yeah, it was pretty close quarters there. It's okay though. That wall wasn't there last time I flew, so that's all they got left to put up. So I thought this would be done by Saturday, but hey, still, look at the size of this place and how fast those walls went up. Less than a month. Just for the hell of it, I picked a random spice. I went to the Trader Joe's website because I heard of people buying stuff from Trader Joe's and then selling it on Amazon. Sure enough, like I just looked at one spice. It was everything except the bagel. For bagels, it was a bagel spice. $1.99 in the store, between $5.99 and $7 on Amazon with Prime shipping. So there you go. That's a hell of a markup. You got to sell a lot of them though, because you got to pay $40 a month alone just for a selling fee. You got to have a couple hundred bottles. But it'll sell because people don't have access to Trader Joe's all over the place. We happen to have one here.
39 feet altitude. 1,548 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 71% battery.
Now I'm getting chilly. It's cold out. Hard to tell. Hard to see, rather. Got like a whitewashed out sky. Makes my screen look dim. And after this, I go home and watch the playoffs. Last time I was here, I left the house. The Chiefs were getting beat 21-0 in the first quarter. And I'm like, wow, this is going to be a freaking blowout.
Feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 67% battery.
A half hour later, I get back home and they're leading 24-21. And it's still the second quarter. It's like, what the hell is going on? Mahomes is my boy. I gotta be careful here with this fucking crane. Could cross paths, I don't know. I have no way to know until I fly by it.
50 feet altitude, 1,267 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 63% battery.
Looks good. Looks a little chilly down there, don't it? I'm flying at 50 feet from here.
49 feet altitude. 1907 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 60% battery.
I don't know how high the building is because I don't know what elevation is over there. I can tell on the plotting map at the waypoints. He'll tell you how for every waypoint you make, it gives you the distance of the difference in the elevation from where you took off. So I don't know how tall this building. I can find out, like I said. If I'm flying at 50 feet, I can just look at the waypoints on the computer and they'll tell me. Because I got about 10 feet clearance, probably more. They appear closer than they really are on the camera. So
50 feet altitude, 1,474 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 56% battery.
This next turn is going to concern me a little because it's going to fly. It should go past the crane on the outside, but I won't know until we get there. There should be plenty of room. After this turn here. Ah, there's a fucking hawk. Great. So apparently they don't migrate. Keep an eye on that bastard. He's far away.
49 feet altitude, 790 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 52% battery.
He's in the neighborhood, I gotta watch out. But he's kind of far. He's circling over the woods. There's two of them. So, haven't seen a hawk in a while. Yeah, they're going towards Felicia. Alright, I should be flying around the crane. Oh, never mind. This thing's going to climb to
49 feet altitude, 1,122 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 47% battery.
At this next waypoint, it's going to start climbing. Even though it kind of looks like it's going right at the crane. If I'm looking straight like that, it's not going to hit it. Slowing down, hitting the wind. So I'm almost done. Now it's going to climb. There we go.
60 feet altitude, 1,496 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 43% battery.
It's going to go into the corner to get my stills. I don't see the hawks anymore. Gotta watch out for them. Hawks are bad for drones. They attack. Trust me, I know. Happened to me. See, there's the wind fucking with the camera.
267 feet altitude. 1,849 feet distance. 5 miles per hour. 37% battery.
It is cold. It's going to fly over to that corner eventually. You see, when you turn the camera, turn the drone, the wind's hitting it and it's making it vibrate. It's only at certain angles. If I go straight, it'll stop. See? So, all right, this is going to park itself at the end of the
300
waypoint.
feet altitude. 1,764 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 33% battery.
It's like I'm hawk free. It's gonna stop the mission right here. There we go.
Mission ended.
I'll get my 360 out of that. Not my 360, my time lapse.
.299 feet altitude. 1,423 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 29% battery.
Go first person. Go to jet mode. Cruise on over. Get out of the wind.
Feet altitude. 863 feet distance.
Okay, that's
0
0
miles
feet
per hour.
from me.
26% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
When I turn the camera sideways, it shakes. Really hard to judge the color or the lighting.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
I'll bring it home in a minute.
Minus 23 feet altitude. 742 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 21% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
Time to come home.
Warning, aircraft battery at 19%.
There he is.
32 feet altitude. 29 feet distance. 1 miles per hour. 16% battery.
It's getting blown around pretty good.
Warning. Aircraft battery at 15%.
Can you hear it? Woo. It's cold. How long was that? Let's see. 20 minutes, 46 seconds. All right, very nice. Hey, got my flight in for the day. Nice progress. Lots of progress.
Battery at 13%.
Going to go home and watch the playoffs. D-Dub is out.